These are good mornings. Good mornings are great for your hamstrings. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we do this in correct form because a lot of people do this wrong. You want to make sure your feet are hip width apart. So we're going to go hip width apart. You want to make sure you put your hands touch lightly behind your head. I don't want it like this. You want to make sure the elbows are open. What you're going to do is bend over and hinge at the hips. So you're going to come down, keeping the core tight, and you're going to stretch the glutes and the hamstrings as you make your way down. None of this is not it. So just make sure that form, you keep those elbows back. You keep it back like this. Squeeze your glutes and then core, and then you're going to raise up. So it's going to look like this. Bending over, hinging at the hips, squeeze the glutes, and come up. Slow and controlled. This is not one of those exercises that you want to go fast. It actually takes mind-muscle connection to feel the hamstring stretch and the glute squeeze. So think about this, hamstring stretch, squeezing the glutes, and up. And this is a great exercise to prep for a deadlift. And there you have it. That's a good morning.